today we're gonna be doing something called Make My Own Beads Kit. It looks super fun.
No idea what it is. We've never done it before.
No, put those down. So, we did that. So now we have to add 50 grams of calcium chloride into the water and put the solution in for 3 minutes after stirring and dissolving.
We are having so much fun making these beads right from scratch right here in this water, and all you need is a bowl of water to have all this fun.
Maybe more than that.
Maybe more than that?
Yeah, maybe.
A little bit?
You need a siblings.
And siblings.
You buy the set and then you
pull
do
these
it.
ones out,
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
They're curly. They're curly.
What do you guys think? Has this been kind of fun?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What was your favorite part so far?
All of it.
All of it?
Probably
All of
I'm
it.
probably dripping the little booklets onto the other booklets.
Yeah, making the beads inside of the,
Go like,
yeah.
boom.